Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Minaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tutorial ko on how to set up a mobile hotspot on Windows 11. Mobile hotspot allow a device to share its internet connections with the other nearby devices. If your Windows 11 device is connected to the internet, you can let nearby smartphones, tablets, and laptops connect to the internet through your machines. So, ipano lang guys ang basic method and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa Start menu, so right click lang tayo. And then, select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa system and kailangan mo lang select yung network and internet. And then dito sa network and internet, and then select mo lang yung mobile hotspot. So, click lang natin to. And then dito sa mobile hotspot ay dito natin pwedeng gawin kung paano ba natin ito i-set up para makapag-share tayo ng internet access sa other device. So, bago natin ito i-turn on, so kailangan muna natin i-set up itong mga other settings niya katulad ng share my internet connections from. So, select mo lang itong Wi-Fi. And then dito naman sa share over ay kailangan mo lang select kung Wi-Fi or via Bluetooth. So, select natin for Wi-Fi. And then dito naman sa kanyang network properties ay pwedeng mong palitan yung name, network name, and network password. So, change lang natin yan. So, Windows 11 and then kung password naman niya ay any password ang pwede mong gawin mga kaibigan. Alright? So, once na-set up mo na yung network name and yung network password at least 8 characters, and then dito naman sa network band ay select mo lang to any available. Okay? And then click mo yung save. And then next, so dito naman ay makikita mo dito kung ilang device yung connected once na na-turn on natin ito. Okay? So, kailangan muna natin itong i-turn on. Okay? So, turn on natin. Ayan. Alright? So, once na-turn on mo na, so pwede mo na itong gamitin. So, i-connect yung mga device mo. So, dito naman sa baba ay makikita mo dito kung ilang device yung connected dito. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano i-set up ang mobile hotspot sa Windows 11. And hope na nasundan nyo ang step-by-step method at comment ko lang in any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman at kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notifications to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.